Why do fair elections stand as the bedrock of a thriving democracy? Around the globe, the integrity of electoral processes is a fundamental pillar supporting the architecture of democratic governance. In Southern Africa, this principle faces its trials, as seen in the recent elections in Zimbabwe. The Southern African Development Community, commonly known as SADC, plays a pivotal role in observing electoral practices within the region to ensure they meet the required democratic standards. Following Zimbabwe's latest elections, the SADC Election Observation Mission, or SEOM, released a comprehensive report detailing their observations and conclusions. The Sadc Seom embarked on a thorough analysis of the electoral environment in Zimbabwe. Their findings highlighted a series of concerns, including allegations of voter intimidation and irregularities in the voting process. Such issues cast shadows on the transparency and fairness of the elections. Despite these challenges, the report concluded that the elections in Zimbabwe were fundamentally free and largely reflective of the will of the people. This ruling was met with mixed reactions. On one hand, it acknowledged the efforts made to conduct the elections under challenging circumstances. On the other, it raised questions about the sufficiency of these efforts in achieving the high standards set for democratic elections. The implications of the Sadc Seom's findings are profound, extending beyond Zimbabwe's borders to influence perceptions of democracy across Southern Africa. The report underscores the ongoing need for improvements in electoral governance to fortify trust among the citizens and enhance the credibility of future elections. In sum, the Sadc Seom report on the Zimbabwe elections declared them to be essentially free but noted significant areas for improvement. This ruling is a crucial reminder of the delicate balance between maintaining order during elections and upholding the democratic values essential for the legitimacy of any government. As Southern Africa moves forward, the focus must remain on strengthening electoral processes, a cornerstone for peace and stability in the region.